Sawadee. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the Inspire Academy Online. Today we're going to be learning very basic phrases in Lao. So if you're planning a trip to Laos or you just want to learn a new language, this is the video for you. Without further ado, let's get started. Sawadee. Sawadee. To say hello, you can say Sawadee. With doing this, we call it no. Is a gesture of polite. Sawadee bo. Sawadee bo. Translates into are you okay? Or how are you? Sawadee bo. Sawadee also means I'm doing great, I'm doing fine, I'm okay. So if someone asks you Sawadee bo, you can simply answer Sawadee. Zao de. Zao de translates into and you? Zao de Sawadee bo. Zao de Sawadee bo. You can use this phrase to ask and you? How are you? Or and you? Are you doing great? ค่อยมาจากประเทศ ค่อยมาจากประเทศ translates into I come from and the country. So for instance, if you come from the United States, you can say ค่อยมาจากประเทศอเมริกา ค่อยมาจากประเทศอเมริกา Or if you come from France, you can say ค่อยมาจากประเทศฝรั่ง ค่อยมาจากประเทศฝรั่ง กินข้าวละหวา กินข้าวละหวา This phrase translates into have you eaten? We Lao people like to use this phrase to ask if you're okay. Instead of asking how are you, we like to ask have you eaten? กินข้าวละหวา ขอบใจ 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 means thank you. This is the word that you can use like every day. ขอบใจ ขอบใจหลายๆ ขอบใจหลายๆ means thank you so much. ขอโทษ ขอโทษ means sorry, I'm sorry. So if you've done something bad to someone or just simply bump into someone, you can say ขอโทษ or ขอโทษหลายๆ I'm very sorry. Last but not least, we're going to learn how to say goodbyes. So there's plenty of ways to say goodbye. You can say ลาก่อน ลาก่อน which simply means goodbye, but you can also say แล้วพบกันใหม่ แล้วพบกันใหม่ which translates into see you again. And that's all for this video. I hope you like it. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and see you in the next video. Lakon!